Google recently introduced a new AI tool based on video generation. Basically, it can convert any command given to it through video, image, text, or audio into good quality and meaningful videos. And this AI tool is called VideoPoet. We'll talk more about this, but before we move forward, I would like to tell you that Be10x has an exclusive AI tool workshop. Don't forget to check it out, link is in the description.
Happy New Year! If your resolution for 2024 is getting accelerated career growth along with a good salary hike, then you are at right place. If you want to do the same, you should be learning ChatGPT and AI tools and how you can integrate them for your own advantage.
Now let's discuss what this AI tool actually is and how does it work. Firstly, VideoPoet is being made by Google itself. It can convert any command given to it through videos, text, images, or audios into meaningful and high quality videos. Basically, it's a video generative AI tool. But how does it actually work? VideoPoet makes videos with the help of auto-regressive language modeling. This modeling works by generating one content piece at a time and making newer pieces depending on the previous ones, just like ChatGPT does. First, it generates one word, and based on that one word, it generates the second word, and it goes on. It follows the same pattern but in videos, which means first it generates one frame, and after that the second frame, and then third frame, and all of those frames would be based on the previous ones. And this ensures the quality and meaningfulness in videos. Now, VideoPoet only accepts text, video, image, and audio tokens. But what exactly these tokens are? Basically, these tokens are small elements of multimedia content. VideoPoet makes videos by generating these tokens sequentially, each generate one after another and maintain flow and meaningfulness in videos. VideoPoet uses two stages of AI tokenizer. The first is MagVit V2 and the second is SoundStream. MagVit V2 uses convolutional neural network and transformer, whereas SoundStream uses recurrent neural network and quantization module. But how exactly does it make videos? Well, there are three steps making these videos. The first is it takes the input in text, video, image, or audio and converts it into tokens. Then its auto-regressive language modules generate new outputs based on those previous inputs. And then it reassembles the tokens into meaningful images, videos, and audios, using the inverse function of MagVit V2 and SoundStream. Now, here are some of the features that VideoPoet provides us. First is, this tool is capable of converting various texts into videos. For example, if you give it an input about a dog riding a bicycle, it's gonna make the video about it. It also converts images into videos, and that's so in high quality and graphics. Another cool thing it does is video stylization. It applies different artistic styles to the video, making it more cooler. It can also convert videos into audio clips. You just need a raw video with no sound, and you just have to upload it. And then you'll see the magic just like this. Well, the most amazing part is yet to come, but before I tell you about that, I want to warn you with something. See, AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI and whatnot. And you don't want to get affected by this recessive wave, right? Well, the fun part is AI won't replace you, but the people using AI will. Now, if you want to save your jobs and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours of AI tool workshop in which we will teach you about the best AI tool to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link in the description. Alright, so the amazing part I've been talking about was how easily and fluently VideoPoet make videos. And not only that, it can generate high quality videos up to 30 seconds. And believe me, it's more than enough. Now here are some of the mind-blowing things that VideoPoet does. The first is zero-shot video generation. It can legit generate anything just by some raw input without needing any training. And this is possible because VideoPilot has already been trained on various different video, audio, and image styles. Another function is multimodal generative learning objectives. With the help of this, it can generate content that combines different forms like videos, images, and audios. It understands this through learning goals, how these different types of outputs works together. VideoPilot can make videos up to 30 seconds long, and believe me, it's long enough. It does this using hierarchy structure, which breaks down the video into smaller segments and work on each one individually, while keeping the overall flow and quality constant. It also has this memory storage feature, which again helps us to generate good quality and meaningful videos. In real life, it has many uses too. VideoPoet can be used in jobs like digital art, video production, and even game creation industries. And this was yet another amazing AI tool that we just discussed about. Now, before we wrap up, I would like to tell you that VideoPoet is yet another new AI tool, which means this tool definitely have some bugs and glitches while rendering heavy tasks. But keep in mind that this tool is still under development, and who knows, until the full release, there's a possibility that every single bug and glitch would be wiped out. And also, in the long run, VideoPoet is definitely gonna help many job peoples, business owners, and even many artists out there, because you don't know how fast AI actually is growing. Now, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video among your friends, and yeah, don't forget to check out our AI tool workshop, link is in the description. It's a pond full of knowledge, you just have to dive in it. We'll see you there, thank you.